Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you about the alarm system installation, and this is the appliance that we have here. This is a CCU, a transformer, two push buttons, two bells, this one and this one, and a relay. Here is the connection, that how I have connected this system. So in alarms we are going to use this because of this red 5 amperes, because it requires a little current to make it work. So here is the transformer. It has a capacity of 24 volts. So if you connect these two blue wires, it's 24, but if you push in the white, you're going to have a 12 volts. So here is our bulb. Here our bell is 12 volts. So we're going to use this 0.75 kilowatts millimeter squared, because it has a little current. And this is how we connected here. This is the connection from the transformer here. And because this is our 240 volts bell, we have used as 1 millimeter squared wire connected direct. This is the connection, and here in a relay, this is the, can you remove your phone please?